directly to the rooms on level 10.
Dolores Umbridge. Brought to you by located in London, Paris, and Oxford, addressing the discerning wizards at 17.
What are you standing around for? Now get moving! No dawdling! Calm down, Professor! Better be done right. Professor?
So much work for Higgledy to do! Mustn't get distracted. It has been... Higgledy has heard about all the wonderful things Miss Hermione Granger has done. All of the house elves have heard about the greatness of Miss Hermione Granger.
Must be accompanied by a supervising companion.
Be aware, certain lift passages will not be accessible today due to heightened security.
Can you believe Umbridge is finally on trial?
It's about time she stands before the Wizengamot.
Well, this is quite the tailback.
Not surprising with everyone here for the trial. Hello? Are you going to the trial too?
Of course, Ron. The whole Wizarding world wants to see justice served.
And we can't be late. I don't want to miss this.
I will do what must be done for the greater good. To the time room. Yaxley, dispose of them.
With pleasure, miss. And Fingo.
Alert! Death Eaters have attacked the Ministry. Dolores Umbridge has escaped.
Umbridge has escaped.
She's after a time turner again.
We need to get to the time room.
They can help us. We must stop Miss Umbridge.
Warning, Death Eaters have attacked the Ministry Archives. Unexpected lift in the Ministry Archives.
There she goes.
Higgledy will help. Stupid! You're after her. We won't let you stop us this time. Run it!
You melon-headed saddle goat!
Find Umbridge! You filthy
Unexpected lift in the Department of Magical Creatures.
Stop, Miss! Impossible!
Now's the time to
Too late for that. Watch out!
Hurry! Get to the time room!
Let's get out of here before the lift explodes.
Now back to the time of Lord Voldemort. You're too late.
You can't use a broken time turner, miss!
Nonsense. Repulsor.
Miss, look what you've done!
The time room is breaking apart! Stupefy!
Get out of here. We'll deal with them.
I will have order! How dare you try to stop me?
No! Now Higgledy has your wand!
You must not tell lies, Professor!
Order! Order!
Hand me!
We brought you a present, Minister.
Dolores Umbridge, for your crimes you will spend the rest of your days in Azkaban.
This is an outrage!
Take her away!
You've done well, Higgledy. Dolores and this lot will be off to Azkaban soon.
Where evil mistresses belong, Miss Granger. We all saved the ministry. Thank you, friends.
Will the Department of Magical Maintenance please report to the time room?